Unlocking the secrets of overtaking. The psychology behind confident and safe overtaking. The psychology of overtaking. Confidence-building exercises. Learn practical exercises to boost your confidence in overtaking maneuvers. Visualization techniques. Discover how visualization can help you mentally prepare for overtaking situations. Positive self-talk. Understand the power of positive self-talk and how it can influence your overtaking performance. Overcoming fear and anxiety. Learn strategies to overcome fear and anxiety associated with overtaking. Focus and concentration. Discover techniques to improve your focus and concentration during overtaking maneuvers. Mindfulness practices. Learn how mindfulness can enhance your awareness and decision-making skills while overtaking. Breathing techniques. Understand the importance of controlled breathing and how it can help you stay calm during overtaking. Managing stress. Discover strategies for managing stress and staying composed during challenging, overtaking situations. The role of experience. Understand how experience and practice can improve your confidence and performance in overtaking. Dealing with negative thoughts. Learn how to identify and replace negative thoughts that may hinder your overtaking skills. The impact of emotions. Explore how emotions can affect your overtaking performance and how to regulate them effectively. The power of visualization. Understand how visualizing successful overtaking maneuvers can enhance your confidence and skills. Setting realistic goals. Learn how to set achievable goals for improving your overtaking skills and confidence. Feedback and reflection. Discover the importance of seeking feedback and reflecting on your overtaking experiences. Building trust in your abilities. Learn how to build trust in your driving abilities and make confident overtaking decisions. The role of self-efficacy. Understand the concept of self-efficacy and how it influences your overtaking behavior. Overcoming negative past experiences. Learn strategies for overcoming negative past experiences and building confidence in overtaking. The impact of peer influence. Understand how peer influence can affect your overtaking behavior and how to manage it. The psychology of risk assessment. Explore how drivers assess risks during overtaking and how to make informed decisions. The psychology of speed. Understand the psychological factors that influence speed during overtaking and how to manage them. With these insights into the psychology of overtaking, you'll be better equipped to develop a confident and safe overtaking mindset. Stay tuned for more episodes in our series, where we'll continue to explore the fascinating world of driving.